Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Uh, it's a beautiful day here in Virginia and I'm excited today because I got my first Kindle Oasis. I've been wanting to have Kindle so bad, but I didn't have the chance to buy it. And because the price is so high, I wanted to buy the Kindle Paperwhite because I love to read. And finally, after a lot of deliberations, and I finally decided that to go with the Kindle Oasis. The problem with the Kindle Oasis, the price was so high. I was like, I don't want to pay like $300 for it. I got like the 32 gigabyte one, and finally, uh, during the Amazon Prime Day, the price went down under, I think it was like 199. So I finally bought one here. It took me a while to you know make this video. I just want to unbox this one. I don't know how many of you love Amazon Prime, but yeah, this is really cool. I finally um, was able to buy it because I didn't want to spend the money. I mean, $300, and then that's expensive for a reading device. I love to read regular books, but let's take a look at this, the Kindle Oasis. And let's get the reliable knife and let's open it up like that. There you go. There. Now finally we got something going on. This is really nice. This Smith and Wesson knife is my favorite knife. Oh, look at that. It looks big, the box, but the Kindle Oasis is tiny. Look at that. Look at this thing. it's really tiny. Actually, I bought the Kindle Oasis leather case too, and let's take a look at it. I'm gonna move a little bit forward so you can see it. Well, it comes with a wrap, like that. Actually, they send it separately. They sent believe it or not, the cover, like this one here. I'll show it to you. It came first, and this one apparently Amazon ran out of it, so I'm so excited. This is my first Kindle. I never owned Kindle before. I think my first tablet was Android tablet. It was Google Android tablet. I wanted to play around with tablet. Actually, I messed around with it. I installed Ubuntu. It was fun toy, but I want something that I can use for reading, especially when I'm waiting for my wife or daughter somewhere. In this car, what's the point of having a Jaguar and Porsche and you don't have anything, something that is portable for reading? The Kindle Oasis, once you recharge it, it says it can be weeks. The battery life is really good. Look at this thing. It's really nice. Look, you just push it up. See that? It's cool, huh? So you push it up, more or less. Take a look at one thing at a time. There you go. So that's the box. It's really interesting. Look like a watch. See that? Oh look, it has a seal. Let's take a look at it. Let's just open this seal right here. Right there. Like put it down here. And see, look at that. It's open like voila. Oh, look at this. See, that's the Kindle Oasis. And interesting. Huh. That's the device right there. It's so tiny. And look, it came with that's it. Just recharging cable. Apparently this is pretty bad because they sell the the recharger separately. They only give you a cable. So let me see if they give me nothing, zero. So whoops, nothing. Look, that's all you got. An Oasis and recharging cable. So look at this thing. I'm like, seriously? So this is what you're gonna get. And I don't know, something going on. I hear like It's something on the tree. I'm not sure what it is. It's like if you like, we live in the middle of the woods here in Virginia, and it's interesting. I can hear wildlife. So if you hear like stuff like birds chirping, so look, it's all wrapped. It looks like that. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Huh. Interesting. To to turn it on, press the power. Oh, I don't want a big heavy tablet that I have. I mean, my look now. It tells you the different yeah, language. I think okay. There's English UK and English United States. So I guess I'm gonna use the United States one. Make sure I choose that. Click next. See that? And voila. Oh, it's preparing for the device now. I think it's gonna ask me for my Amazon account, so I can load all my Kindle Amazon books to it. Look at this thing. It's really light. It's like, I'm not sure, but I don't feel it's like the Paperwhite. I went to Best Buy to check it out. This is actually the latest version. I'm really excited about it. It's look, it's preparing the Kindle right now. See that? It's pretty slow, but yeah, this is what you're gonna get when you buy Kindle. This is why I'm glad I waited for the price to go down, because I don't think this thing is worth uh, like $300. So I'm glad I waited. So look at this, just cable. Okay, now I'm gonna connect to Wi-Fi, and that's the Wi-Fi right there. So anyway, this is it. So if you are planning to buy a Kindle Oasis, this is the what you're gonna get. So yeah, it's a really nice device. Oops, sorry. Yeah, you're gonna get sorry guys, but yeah, this is what you're gonna get. So make sure, apparently it makes you buy yeah, the next thing is you have to connect to Wi-Fi, then download all your books into the Kindle Oasis. Interesting, huh? So anyway, yeah, this is what you're gonna get if you buy the Kindle Oasis. Not much. So see, the case you have to buy separately, and I think it's better for me to put it on the case now, since if I drop this during the video taping, it won't be good. I mean, it's still a $200 device. It's $199, so, and this thing is like 50 bucks, like for the leather case. Look at this, it's really nice. So to make sure that your Kindle Oasis is protected, I'm just gonna just load it like that. Let me see. Okay, now it's all protected with the leather case. Interesting, huh? So anyway, if you want to buy the Kindle Oasis, this is pretty neat. It has the scroll button right here, where you can scroll up and scroll down, and I think you can just flip the book, but I won't go into detail right now. I just want to do unboxing of the Kindle Oasis. So if you're wondering, does it come with a recharger? No, it comes with this cable only, and apparently you have to buy a separate, you know, the recharger go into your AC adapt, you know, plug. Anyway, that's pretty disappointing for $300 device. I think that's pretty expensive. At least Amazon should, you know, include it. This is why I waited for a long time until I bought it. But other than that, the leather feels good. It's pretty light. It's pretty solid. I'm really happy about it. So anyway, love you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Again, this is the Kindle Oasis. That's what you're gonna get. That's why I suggest that if you wait for the price to go down, unless you really have to buy it. Paperwhite is really nice if you don't have the money to buy it. Paperwhite, The only reason um, I, I I decided to buy the Kindle Oasis because of it's a little bit faster, and it's a little bit what do you call it? It has this button right here. It's easier to flip page and to go up and down to navigate. If you wanna try, go to Best Buy and try it out, touch it out, feel it. So yeah, I'm really happy. Anyway, love you guys again. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Here we go, Kindle Oasis.